approach answering this question? Well, remember we want to use the what, how, why. So my first point might be that the writer presents the mountains as beautiful. Okay, and in my how, I need to embed my quotes. So I might pick out things like the colours, and I think perhaps especially words like expanses and pasture. So the colours of delicate flowers. And which works with the similarly delicate image of the buttercups, which speckle the pasture, focusing on flowers suggests the attractive feminine aspect of this mountain area. The writer uses colours of spring to show that it is full of life, growth, and variety. Conversely, the mountains are also depicted as unwelcoming. Okay, and I'm going to pick out the phrase jagged. The phrase jagged implies that the mountain is like a knife edge, sharp, dangerous, cutting. This links with the inhospitable. which connotes a climate that deters human habitation. The writer wants to show how the landscape changes through seasons, even without the snow. The personified sun is also flattened the land into submission. The sun has flattened the land into submission, turning greens to brown. An opponent. Oppressively, which means like with force and against its will, into submission, turning lush pasture to brown. Okay, so I've made 2 points so far. That the writer presents the mountains as beautiful. The colours, the delicate flowers, pink, mauve, white and yellow, which speckle, and that's all attractive. Conversely, the mountains are unwelcoming. So I've picked out the contrast, picked out the personification of the sun. I need 1 more point. And I'm actually going to pick out something slightly more unusual, because each time I'm trying to pick a quote where the writer says something not literally. And in this case, I quite like how the flowers peep out from their hiding places, and it's a place of secrets, one that has seen too much, concealed too much to be at peace with itself. I'm going to pick out those together and see if I can make a point about how it's a place of secrets, because that seems to be a significant theme in this passage. So I'm going to say, finally, the writer personifies the landscape as a whole as a place with secrets, which has seen too much to be at peace. Even the flowers are peeping, as if timid, demure, or secretive. And then the big question is why. So we've got our what, we've integrated our quotes into the how. Really it's the why. Why does the writer want to focus on the idea of secrecy? We haven't read the rest of the passage, maybe you have, but her discovery is certainly exciting. But she clearly wants to introduce the theme of secrecy early on. Okay, so even the flowers are peeping, as if timid, demure, or secretive. The writer intentionally introduces the idea of something hidden or mysterious as a theme, this builds tension ahead of Alice's, I could say, lone discovery, because she purposely doesn't tell the others what she's working on. Lone, L-O-N-E, as in she is alone. No discovery, full stop. Okay, so that has taken me about 11 minutes of writing. Okay, and I've made 3 fill points. Notice I've used all the paper available. And let's move on to the next one.